We have a very nice equation problem here. We have equation square root of 10 times square root of 10 equals 100 to the power t. We have to solve this equation for t. Let us start. Square root of 10 times square root of 10 equals 100 to the power t. We can write it as 10 into 100 to the power half equals 10 square to the power t. Since square root of 10 equals 10 to the power half, and we can write 100 equals 10 square. Then we can write square root of 10 to the power 1 plus half equals 10 to the power 2t. Since 10 to the power m n equals 10 to the power m times n. Next we can write square root of 10 to the power 2 plus 1 equals 10 to the power 2t. We can write square root of 10 to the power 3 by 2 equals 10 to the power 2t. Then we can write 10 to the power 3 by 2 whole to the power half equals 10 to the power 2t. Then we can write 10 to the power 3 by 2 times half equals 10 to the power 2t. Next we can write 10 to the power 3 by 4 equals 10 to the power 2t. Since the bases are equal, which is 10, we can write the exponents as equal. So we can write 2t equals 3 by 4. Since a to the power m equals a to the power n gives m equals n. So we can apply these rules and we can write 2t equals 3 by 4. From here we can write t equals 3 by 4 times 2, or t equals 3 by 8. So this is the solution for our problem. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.